Well, my people, there I know. Big up and respect to each and every one. You see, yeah, my people. So I just some things I want to talk to you about. Yes, I have videos I'm going to present to you as I talk about videos. First up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who was inside of a police service motor vehicle, and based on certain things that I saw in the video and certain words that have been said in the video, I wonder if that person has some form of mental health issue in the viewers and subscribers. So I got the understanding that the police officers who was at the location at one point didn't realize that the person got inside of the police service motor vehicle. So the video shows when police made the person or somewhat take the person from out of the police vehicle. And why take a look at this video and tell me what I think. For some reason, some people find the video funny on social media. Alright? Anyway, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Madman in the police vehicle.
See? So that's why I wonder if that person have mental health issue. Here's what I say. Alright, my people, so I'm going to move on to another topic now, and this one is a sad topic. Now, I saw a video that had been recorded in Jamaica, and the video that I saw shows some things that happened at the scene of where 3 persons had been shot. I'm talking about gunshots, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, the video that I'm talking about shows what I call a horrible scene or a gruesome scene. It's really bad, viewers and subscribers. I say. So, even though I might show you a piece or maybe 2 pieces of images from the video, I'm not going to present the entire video to you, my viewers and subscribers. But for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present the audio of the video to you so that you can hear certain words that have been said at the scene of the incident. See me? Now, if you listen carefully to some words that a certain amount of persons said in the audio that's from the video, you can get a good understanding about the situation, even though I am not able to confirm if every word that those persons have said in the audio or in the video are accurate. But I think you can listen to certain things that have been said. It might give you a good understanding. Anyways, now, please bear in mind that some of the words that you're about to hear in this audio might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. I want you to listen carefully and tell me what to think about the situation. Observe.
No man, you pull the man and pull up on them and just start empty it out now. There's a car now, car stop right there, sir. 2 boys come out of the car and start. No, car come from behind them and just pull down right there, sir. And just could jump out on them and start knock it. Who will you shot him?
Me hear it.
So it come like 2 boys them come out and start knock it on them and say, yo, it's a headshot. Buckler. Come look for them. Two of them now, one more round here, sir. Then we can see her if you can get it.
Check out to see if she bleed. No, she no must have
She bleed?
dead.
Put her on her head, Jesus, please.
Yeah, point line for them, yeah, bad man, Riley.
Yeah.
How she?
What's a Kim, my youth? Ratted card. Three of them mash up Mama J. Oh, skip this. Keep skip this. Sure, no, me I tell you. Sure, no.
I just listen to people and I tell you the truth, me feel away. Alright, so listen to this part of the video again, my people. Listen to this part. Listen.
Okay. Three of them mash up my jail.
Hear that? Let me play that one more time again.
Okay. Three of them mash up my jail.
So based on information that I got during subscribers, it is said that 2 females and a male was shot and killed. And the incident happened within the country of Jamaica. You see? People, I want to check out a song that had been done by Uncle Mark. You know, a song named Can't Return that had been done by Uncle Mark. You see? Yeah, that song there have some lyrics of reality in it. You know, beer violence are going on within the country of Jamaica and the world too as well, you know. And that song there really and truly have some words that connect in my point of view. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. If you click the link, that link will take you to the song that I'm talking about. Can't Return. That had been done by Uncle Mark. Now here I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers. This video will be recorded in Trinidad and Tobago. And this video shows some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went to a certain location. Now in the video you can hear a person talking about law enforcers, who you can see in the video, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, it seems as if the person was upset because of how police or law enforcers was treating a certain amount of persons. As I say, anyways, here I'm going to leave the video with you. I want you to look and listen carefully to this video and tell me what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in the video. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, so here's the video, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Skilla, big up.
Before them has something to tell you, please. They had nothing there. I know that for a fact. Gregory come this way before you put your hands on you and I take a case.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.
Thanks. Stay on your wall. PDE 1019. PDT 9225. I cannot ask the ignorant people the badge numbers because they're not letting me know the badge numbers. Because the role of police is to bully, not to protect and serve. They carry the jeep there to hide to say the gun. They get the gun. The gun. I was now there. It had no gun. I was now there. I now come from work. It had no gun. Them youth men know I just go against them for the wrong thing. I just stand up for them for the right thing. The officer said go in the court so that to become criminals first. Look, they're locking up the youth men for nothing. So this is how we just deal with situations in Trinidad and Tobago. The police will come and bully we, turn we nice turn into criminals, and then, well, that is the system. We are more criminals on the streets than we are humans. Thank God it's our people who are pastors more than the police and go stand up for the youths and them. Just like they was just cussing the children loud and telling them lay down on the ground like dog. Look the shushu went now. I talking to my phone.
Language is our French, right? I'm in a public place here.
No, I in my yard.
You're not obliged to say anything unless you wish to do so. Anything you say will be taken on and given in evidence, right?
Okay, get a badge number, please.
Caution, right? So this is from yourself.
I will, sir. I have a one in literature and a distinction in English. I can speak properly.
That's okay. This is from yourself.
No problem. I'd like to know what the youth may be in charge for.
You're welcome to go and check.
No, they tell me stay here. That's the way we do it, we bully.
Yeah.
No, I can't. I will get locked up and then I'll be a criminal. My mother was murdered when we reached for that case.
But now we are ready to do something, huh?
4 youth men getting locked up. They don't even have an ounce of weed in the shop. They don't even have a gun in the shop. I call now, yes, I selling juice. Them youth men must be holding on to the juice somehow when I go to work and now come home. It's I selling juice. Them youth men just hold on to the juice from me until I come home. 4 youth men, no gun, no weed, and cocaine don't sell up here. That is what the youth men and them must be doing when the day come, hustling juice. Look, and now reach home. They my cooler, I can touch my cooler.
for behaving in this only manner.
In my yard.
Back to your home.
Look, I'm in my yard, people, and I'm being
Doing
cautioned in
operation
my
the
yard.
area. I would like you to not interfere in anything in the public
I was
area,
interfering
please.
with my cooler. That's
I'm
my cooler,
cautioning
sir.
you.
That's my cooler.
You need to be cautioned.
Sir, that's my cooler.
Hey, them monkey are endangered.
I have a license.
Must see how
Forestry. When you going to see my name done?
No.
The process already started.
Give it some more.
The process takes long, and Corona, it started before Corona.
So then you don't have a document for that
I
monkey.
have a document started already, sir. See where it reach soon, I'll pick up my monkey. That life. So when they realize they can't be here, they're going to find another way. Thank God I started the legal process because I am not an illegal person. I'm not a criminal. If I have a gentleman in the zoo, I can give you his name, sir.
Whoa. Whoa. Let somebody pass you, right? Right?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. There's a gentleman in the zoo dealing with the process. I can give you his name. My mother was murdered, so I just take things personal. I tell any boy father go from here. Up to now I can't find out who killed my mother. They killed my mother like a dog, and I still can't find out who killed my mother. Now they're threatening my monkey. It have justice for the civil. It have no justice for the civil. And none. None. So don't talk fair rights. Don't ask no question. Because they're going to make you the target next. Like how I come outside and ask a question, me and my monkeys are target next.
Yeah.
PEC 2488. You see, pointing at me planning to make me a criminal next. Yeah, I'm go from here by the police. Everything will be caught on camera. It's where the hide the gun we're trying to figure it out. It has nothing inside it. Just walls. Walls and walls alone. But the youth men hide a gun. Or they think it fair, or they think it right to be a youth, to be a young man, to be a young person growing up in a traumatized community in Trinidad and Tobago. It could never be fair. It could never be right. It could never be nice. It's ball. I hear these youth men bawling for my big brother, and that's how I come outside. Imagine that. Now they want to be unchosen. They want to be unchosen because I asked what the arresting the youth men for. You think it right? Look, we were going to the shop just now and we go see all the gun, all the pepper spray, all the everything. We go see it just now. Gregory, I will let go through. Huh? Granny on, because I could not unlock yours. Granny on, because I could not unlock yours. I see the next vehicle. They not run we. Let me go in the shop that had the gun. Look, the youth man father now able to come out. So we can't be witnesses, eh? But they're looking to target my monkey. If they only know, I'll make a jail for that monkey. They'll lock me up. Look the place. Where they find the so-called gun or whatever they're charging the youth men for. The one with all my juice money and all my cigarette money. Look. Look. Look at the condition of the place they find the gun in. Look. The gun with all the money. Look. Where the gun was. Tell me where the gun was. Where the youth man had the gun. Where? Look the youth man mother right there. The youth man mother. Look the cigarette. Look the juice thing right there. Look right there. Right there. Right there. That's all. Must stand up. Look. Look, the shop right here. 6 youth men that lie down on the ground like dog.